Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic opening bar for your videos in the CapCut mobile. So in here, I've already imported a video, and to easily add the cinematic opening bar, you can just go to effects, click on the video effects, and now go to the opening and closing category. So here you can just scroll down until you find the effect, this one, horizontal opening bar. Okay, you can see the effect will go like that. Click on a check icon and don't forget to adjust on how long you want the effect to last in your video. Okay, so this will be the result. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.